Avery shipping labels come in a variety of sizes, shapes, colors, and materials with special features designed just for shipping. Avery SureFeed helps printers pull these heavyweight labels more accurately. Avery True Block technology blocks out everything underneath your label, making it easier to reuse boxes and envelopes. Avery waterproof labels for laser printers won't smear, even if they get wet. Waterproof labels also include ultra-hold adhesive to make sure they stick and stay in place, no matter how harsh the weather. When you're choosing a label, it's important to use the type of label that is designed for your printer. Inkjet labels such as Avery 8126 for inkjet printers, or laser labels such as Avery 5126 for laser printers. The product number is at the top of the package, and the printer compatibility is shown here. We will show how to use Avery 8126 shipping labels for inkjet printers with Avery Design Print Online, our free software. Avery Design Print Online can be used with the computer, tablet, or phone. To get started, go to avery.com/templates. You can also click on the Templates tab on avery.com. Next, we will type in the Avery product number 8126, which will bring up the template page for our shipping labels where we can click the Start Designing button. If you already have an Avery account, sign in. Or you can create a free Avery account where you can easily save and access your projects. This is the Choose Design page, where we can select a blank or pre-designed template to customize. We will choose the blank template in the wide format. Now we are on the Customize screen, where we can edit our project. Across the top, there are standard editing tools like Undo, Redo, Copy, Paste, and Delete. On the right, there's a mini version of our template called the Navigator, where all our changes will appear. With the Navigator, we have the option to edit one or edit all of the labels. It's best to stay on Edit All until we finish the overall design for our project and put in our return address. Then we can select Edit One to make individual changes. On the left side, there are options for adding design elements, such as text and images. This is also where you can upload information from a spreadsheet using Import Data or Mail Merge. For detailed instructions, watch our video on Mail Merge. Let's click on Text and add a text box. We can type the return address we want to appear on all of our shipping labels. We can change the font style and size by highlighting the text and then using the options in the text menu. Clicking on the edge of the text box and dragging it will move it to the place we want. Let's add another text box as a placeholder for all the addresses we will be typing. We can position it where we want and get the font just how we want it while we are still on Edit All. That will save us some steps later. We can use the Images menu on the left to add an image from the Avery gallery or from our computer. We'll add this logo we have saved to our desktop and click and drag it into place. Now we can type in some different addresses. We will switch to Edit One in the Navigator, and the outline is just around the label we will be working on. We can type our first address into our placeholder text box. We can click in the Navigator to choose the next label and type our next address in. To add a sheet, we just click near the bottom of the Navigator. This drop-down will help us to move to the new sheet. This sheet has the same formatting as our first label, so it's easy typing in addresses. When we're done, we just click the Preview and Print button to save the full page view. Then we will click Print it yourself and get PDF to print. We will be prompted to save. If you save to a free Avery account, you can come back to edit or print again. Make sure to follow the steps to print. Watch our Shipping Labels Printing Tips video for detailed instructions. Visit avery.com/help for more information about Avery shipping labels and Avery Design Print Online, or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.